The first step to applying the vinyl to a sign is to take your weeding tool and weed the excess vinyl. It's a good practice to weed the object boxes first and then the outer perimeter. And as you lift off the vinyl, be sure to lift it up and away. So once you have finished weeding the excess vinyl, you want to take your roll of transfer tape. This is a 6-inch roll, which you're going to lay on top of your sheet of vinyl. So it's a 12 by 18-inch sheet of vinyl, so you need 2 strips of transfer tape. So just do a quick measure. And this transfer tape is such where you don't need scissors. You can just rip it right off. Take the first strip and just lay it flat onto your sheet of vinyl. And then you can smooth it down with your hand. Take your second sheet. Again, rip it off the spool. And then you're going to lay it on the other side of your vinyl, and you are going to overlap the 2 sheets of transfer tape by about 1/2 inch. So lay it down. And then again, smooth it with your hand. Now the next step is we want to transfer the vinyl onto the transfer tape. So to help with that, we have this application fluid. So you want to take your fluid and just lightly spray the transfer tape. This is going to help get the air bubbles out as you're transferring it. To transfer it, you do need to use your squeegee that was included in your supply kit, and with a somewhat firm, steady motion, starting from the center and going out, you want to squeegee the transfer tape. So again, it's going to transfer the vinyl onto the tape, and then it's going to transfer it onto your sign. So again, a nice, firm but steady motion. Once you're done with the squeegee, then proceed to lift the transfer tape off the backing. And make sure that you're lifting the vinyl along with it. You may need to reinforce certain areas with your finger, but it's just a nice fluid motion as you lift it off, as I said, the backing of the sheet of vinyl. So you can see how it's lifting successfully onto my transfer tape. Then your last step is to apply it to the metal sign. So you take your sign. The application fluid also works nicely to spray onto the sign. See, to spray it on. And then you want to take your transfer tape and line it up onto the sign. Take your application fluid again to help with the air bubbles. Lightly spray the transfer tape and then squeegee it again, this time applying it directly to the sign. A nice fluid motion from the center out, just like so. Now, once you're done with the squeegee, go ahead and peel off the transfer tape. Do it gently, and you can see how the vinyl adheres to the sign. So once you've removed the transfer tape, your final sign will look like this. For more information, please contact your local VeriQuest dealer or the VeriQuest team at 1-800-328-0585 or customer service at veriquest.com.